Hi guys, good morning. So let us talk today about law of correspondence. Law of correspondence is just nothing but simple terms as above, so below. Okay. So after this, let us talk about the difference tomorrow. What is the difference? Main difference, because many people keep asking me this. They are confused between law of correspondence and law of resonance. Okay. Now let us go into law of correspondence. Law of correspondence is like the divine creator who is in the shunya, complete darkness. He created from universe to till that physical form, high evolved physical form, that is the human being. Why he created is, we already saw it in law of divine oneness, because he had lots of personas and he had lots of deep desires, and when he created soul itself, he put each set of deep desires and the personas in each soul as a quantum packages, and he sent it to the down lower dimensions, and he made them birth with soul contract on this 3D plane. Okay, so this is what is law of divine oneness. Through divine oneness we came to know. So in this law of divine oneness, what is this law of correspondence? So while the divine creator created first to create that quantum package from where the souls got divided and become one each complete soul, to create that, quantum packages were sent down to the lower dimensions, isn't it? So that quantum package, from where it came, is from the stars. So he had to create these stars, and he created many stars, and cluster of stars is called as galaxy. Okay, and that for cluster of stars to stay, he created a pathway called as Milky Way. Okay, and after that, from that from that stars itself, sun is also a star. He created that bursting of the star and all. He created the solar system. Around the solar system, he created a biosphere which created the living environment for the earth, and earth also was completely hot ball of fire. For it to cool, he created the rain, he created water, he created air. That is what is the biosphere now. So like that, he created layer after layer after layer. Okay, so what all is there in that universe as layers? So from that universal, even the solar system is suspended in the complete cosmos, isn't it? So solar system is not standing on anything. So below that solar system is also, there is empty space from the universe to down below, where we can't even see, till there, that is space. So the space is only called as universal space, which we call it as cosmos. Okay, so all these levels, which we call as 3-dimensional, 5-dimensional, 4th dimension, 7th dimension, is present within this cosmos. Same like that, within the human body also, we have 7 different chakras. So these 7 different chakras are called as 7 different dimensional planes, and we can jump from one to other. We can, and each other is connected one by one. Okay, so this correlation is the correspondence, how we ascend up and how we descend below. So this way of connecting from the universe to the human body system, and connecting everything within the human body system as how it is in the universe, is called the correspondence and correlation. So this is law of correspondence.